What looks like a pile of junk is about to transform into something incredible. Combine Builder isn't throwing away an old plastic bucket. He's turning it into the heart of an invention. First, he fills the empty bucket with foam glue for strength, drills it, and fixes a steel pipe through the handle with screws. That pipe? It's the base for an entire custom frame. Piece by piece, he welds steel tubes together, building the skeleton of a machine. On each side, he lines up 5 water buckets. Yes, buckets. And installs wheels at the front and back. Already, it's starting to look like something bigger than just DIY. Aesthesia, he gets scission. He cuts up another plastic barrel, splits it in half, and attaches the panels to square pipes with nails. It's clever engineering. Cheap materials, solid structure. Next, he joins the barrels into a longer form and welds it onto the main frame. For comfort, he adds a wooden seat, drills it in, and cleverly links a fan to a power drill for propulsion. Any guesses yet? He's not done. He adds a windshield, shapes PVC pipes under heat, flattens and cuts them into aerodynamic fins, and installs them with Lotus-style hinges. Finally, he sprays on layers of vibrant blue and yellow paint and secures everything tightly. The result? A one-of-a-kind gliding boat-plane hybrid that's both functional and futuristic. Forward's basic tools and creativity, he's made a DIY vehicle that floats, glides, and turns heads. Would you ride it?